How do you prevent rice from becoming mushy?
Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we are here to solve one of the most common problems faced by cooks all around the world: mushy rice. Who likes their rice to turn into a gooey mess? None of us, right? Don't worry. We're going to give you the most useful tips and tricks to prevent your rice from becoming mushy.
Why does rice become mushy?
Let's understand the root cause first. Rice turns mushy because of excess water that isn't absorbed or evaporated during the cooking process. Rice grains are like tiny sponges. They'll keep soaking up water as long as it's available. So, maintaining the right water-to-rice ratio is crucial.
Choosing the right rice.
Different types of rice have different starch content and require different amounts of water. Long-grain rice like basmati or jasmine is usually less sticky compared to short-grain varieties. But don't worry, with the right method, even short-grain rice can be cooked without turning mushy.
Preparing the rice.
Before you start cooking, rinse your rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes the excess starch from the surface of the grains, which can otherwise make your rice sticky.
Perfect water-to-rice ratio.
For long-grain rice like basmati, a good rule of thumb is to use a 1 to 1.5 ratio of rice to water. That's 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. For short-grain rice, you might need a slightly higher amount of water, around a 1 to 2 ratio. However, the precise ratio can vary based on the specific rice variety and your cooking method, so it may take some trial and error to find the perfect balance.
The cooking process.
The key to the cooking process is gentle simmering. Once your rice and water are in the pot, bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer. Avoid stirring the rice as it cooks, as this can break the grains and release more starch, making your rice mushy.
The final touch.
After the cooking time is over, don't rush to fluff your rice immediately. Remove the pot from heat and let it sit, covered, for about 10 minutes. This allows the moisture to distribute evenly, and your rice will be less likely to turn mushy when you fluff it. There you have it, folks. Follow these steps and say goodbye to mushy rice forever. Remember, cooking is part art and part science. It may take a few tries to master these tips, but once you do, you'll be well on your way to preparing the perfect rice every time. Happy cooking!